some things, they do not stop. If they are stop, you are lost. Every time you like, then you continue.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you very much.
You can do that in eating and drinking.
Eating, drinking, like a life. Like mathematics like it.
I have one question. If you take the polynomial section of the generating function, are they reducible over Q5, for instance?
Q type.
No, as polynomial, if you take the partial sums, what about the reducibility of the polynomials?
I do not understand the question.
You take the generating function.
Yes.
And you take
Which I have used many.
For the Bernoulli numbers, for Euler numbers
Yes.
as well. And you take the section, polynomial section.
Yes.
From the algebraic point as polynomial.
No, algebraic situation I do not study. First, I say in algebraic number theory is different my subject. It is a nice area for me, but I do not expect in algebraic integrations in my studies. But my I explain you again, my I is to give genetic functions. Then if you have one genetic functions, you study three steps. One is to study family of zeta functions, the interpolation functions. If you give the group representation by character theory, you give the family of L functions. Then if you have L functions, you go to periodic case, then study congruence, Kumar congruences. Yeah. My I is like this. What if I achieve? I explain you my program this.
The problem of irreducibility is a very difficult problem.
Yes.
Irreducibility.
Yeah, I know.
Very difficult, even for small polynomial Q.
I saw some many publication for your works in 3 or 4 slides. I would like to know which journal was the faster.
At least 2 years. Average is faster is at least 2 years. In Taiwan Journal of Mathematics, I am waiting 7 years.
7?
Yes.
Yes, I have seen that you have done some applications using Lucas number, the Fibonacci numbers. Do you think that you can do the same applications to Pell numbers or Fibonacci numbers or Tetrabonacci numbers?
Because if you know story numbers, combination of the story numbers